Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's Saucy Sunday, we'll be making a low-carb garlic chili sauce. You can usually find this pre-made at your local grocer, but making this homemade is so much better. Besides being very easy to make, I'll show you why making your own is much better. The number one reason is heat. Chili peppers come in a large variety of flavors and heat levels. Most traditional chili sauces are made with Thai peppers. I didn't want this sauce to be quite so hot, so I opted to use chilies in a lower Scoville level. I wanted to use serrano and jalapeno peppers for this sauce, but I couldn't find any serrano chilies, so I'm substituting Fresno peppers. Fresnos are very close in heat to jalapenos, but I find it has a bit more depth of flavor and smokiness. To help control the heat just a bit, we'll remove the seeds and membranes from the Fresno peppers. After removing the tops, simply cut in half, and under running water, gently remove the seeds and membrane with your thumb. The only prep for the jalapeno peppers, besides washing, is to remove the stems or tops. Place the Fresno peppers in a food processor. Add the jalapeno peppers. This sauce can be as complex or as simple as you want. Here's an example of what I mean. I'm using raw garlic in my recipe, but you can opt for roasted garlic, creating a totally different flavor profile. For a really great how-to video on how to roast garlic, check out Dot to Trot's video. She has great step-by-step instructions. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Add some salt. Now I like my sauce very garlicky, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We'll balance the heat with some acidity by adding some rice vinegar and just a little lime juice. Place the lid on and process until pureed. Scrape down the sides as needed. Pour the sauce into a nice jar for storage. This is a fantastic sauce that will add flavor to eggs, marinades, Asian dishes, or anything where you might consider using sriracha sauce. There you have it, folks, my low-carb garlic chili sauce. Homemade goodness to bring flavor and a little heat to just about anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.